must be, Yugao. Even so, you're the one best suited for this mission. You have to go. Now go. I'm giving you an order.
It appears they've erased any trace of their scent. Bringing a sensory type was a good move.
You've gotten better.
Just wait. I'll catch up to you in no time.
You're gonna have to work way harder to do that. But don't worry. I'll always protect you.
He is highly skilled.
We'll want to avoid close quarters combat.
We better hurry.
To meet again like this. But you could.
Oh, so this is what they mean when they say we have bodies that can't die. Oh, that's convenient.
Don't speak so soon!
I wish we could have stopped at least one more, but...
That other reanimated guy didn't last long. But still, this is perfect.
Yugao, you've come.
Now you're mine!
Please.
Ew!
I'm so sorry. I'm an enemy of the Leaf, and I'm an enemy of yours as well.
You go! Take this!
I can't do it. Just can't.
Back off!
It's just down to you now.
I have to go.
This is... You're in no condition to continue either. It's all my fault. I'm so sorry.
It's not. I lost my head.
I'm going to get water.
Please, don't go.
You'll catch him, even if I'm not here to help. Hayate was the love of my life. And at the time, years ago.
Quite impressive. The Hokage himself certified my transparency style.
Hayate.
Be careful.
The culprit was Kabuto Yakushi. It seems that he was actually Orochimaru's spy.
There is no doubt in my mind that they're up to no good. Our path is clear.
But still, someone has to do it. And with my tracking jutsu, I'm the ideal choice.
We've learned that Hayate Gekko has been killed.
That's... So I fought, and I fought. But when the fighting ended, my emotions, already stretched thin. I wasn't even able to hold a sword anymore. How can I? How can I kill him and relive his death once more?
Now please. I leave it to you.
Sakura.
But about this Hayate person, it seemed to me that he really wanted you to stop him.
What's the matter?
Just call for me, and I'll come running.
We'll love and protect each other above all else. It seems you've grown up to become a fine shinobi. Please, I don't want to have to kill you.
I can't let you go. It's over!
I thank you.
I'll back you up.
No, just go and get the sealing core.
Please, Yugao. let you go.
I had wondered what could be taking you so long out there.
Goodbye. All that changes is our perception of the moon. Whatever its shape or name, the moon itself remains the same.
Yokaze and the others have all been rescued.
Oh, goodbye.
And furthermore, I'm not actually a true samurai. I abandoned the Land of Iron ages ago. Naruto. You said Naruto?
That's right. It's me, Naruto.
That means this assignment comes from our nation's highest ruler. Don't forget that.
This is gonna be such a drag.
Come on.
Eh?
He is? All right, I guess. But what exactly is this mission that we're supposed to be going on with him?
We sneak the guy out of there, and then what? Are we gonna demand a big ransom?
Get real, would you? This is a political situation.
All right, Granny, what rank is this mission gonna be?
Normally a B-rank mission. But depending on how fortified the castle is, I warned them. They know that there's been suspicious activity surrounding that nation lately.
Under what circumstances should I reveal myself?
I want you to gather intel on any other suspicious activity as well.
That's because we've been accepting every little request that comes our way.
Pedestrian mercenary job. Hey!
Well, look who's late.
We've received 2 new missions.
You don't get to decide all on your own. I'm not interested in money either, you know.
Well, someone has to do it. Who are we fighting in this war? It's one nation, and a small one at that.
How interesting.
All wrong. You and Choji are gonna be the key players in this mission.
What? We are?
Yeah.
Are you serious?
Simply put, Choji, it's a competitive eating contest.
Seriously? You mean it? Wow, Shikamaru!
To switch places with the young lord and buy us time while we make our escape with the real one.
You're okay with Naruto impersonating this guy?
Enough already! You don't have to tell me how to do this!
Well, I guess we'll see.
All contestants, step forward.
You're up, Choji.
Yeah.
So everyone, do your best and partake of the foods with dignity and with grace. Now contestants, in this first event, you'll be eating bean jam cakes!
What? You mean it's not ramen?
The one on the right is the young lord we're after. But forget that now. Look at him.
Huh?
And that's time!
Hey, are you doing okay, Naruto?
And the second round will be... a ramen eating contest!
What? It's delicious, but the noodles they use are so thick. And right now, I don't have the room. I want to. But if I eat any more of this, I'm gonna be in real trouble.
You!
Are you hungry?
I'd really like to try some of that ramen. It looks incredible.
No.
Well, that's too bad.
Now, Lord Chu, it's time for your lesson.
Huh? But there's a contest going on today.
Sorry, that doesn't matter.
It looks like Choji is sussing out his rivals.
Hey, Choji. Do your best, okay?
Just leave it to me.
Pick it up.
Not mine. It isn't gonna change.
Your training is far too harsh.
That's all for today.
Not quite. Former samurai.
Yeah! You can win this thing, Choji!
We've reached the finals, and the first event will be a speed eating contest. You have to eat 100 pieces of sushi.
Let's do this, Naruto.
Right.
Ino.
Yep, I'm on it.
Oh!
And you are?
A shinobi sent at the request of your homeland.
That's it! Stop eating! We'll take a short break. and then the top 3 will go on to the final event!
Lord Shu, some sushi?
Nah, I mean, no thank you. My appetite is left.
And now the final event will be barbecued meat!
Hey, is it working?
Yeah, for now it seems to be. If it's barbecue, this'll be easy for Choji.
Well, all right then. I'll use two-handed style! Incredible! She's eating with both hands!
Ambidextrous means he's wasting no time at all! But...
I can't even see his chopsticks!
It's the last one. The last.
We've found a winner for this year's eating contest, and he is named Isono! Yeah! First, the winner, Isono, is awarded the grand prize of a brand new house.
That was so much fun, don't you think?
Yeah.